What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jordan and today we're going to be doing a quick bit of maintenance on the Porsche 981. We're going to be changing the front hood trunk struts. It's a really easy job, super quick and fast, but I know I've been putting it off, which means you've been putting it off, so let's get into it. So how do you know when the front hood struts are bad? It's really easy. All you gotta do is open up your frunk, see if it will stay open, and if it does that, they're bad. So let's go over to the bench real quick and I'm gonna show you the new dampers and how they work. And so here are the new struts that I got off Amazon. They're from a company called Tough Support. Here is the serial number. These look just like the OEM pieces. And basically how this works is that there's a little retaining clip right there. And the retaining clip goes into the socket where there's these little teeth. And they hold on to the ball that's attached to the hood. And so basically when you're trying to remove the stock ones, just use a little flathead screwdriver, stick it in here, and then you pry this clip open. And when you pry that open, it opens up the teeth that are in there holding onto the ball, and then you can just slide it right off. So when you're taking off the old ones, just take it off just like this, and then the new ones are just gonna pop right on. It's a really easy job, but it's something that I put off for a long time just because I didn't want to look up how to do it, but it's super easy. So when you go over to the car, go ahead and prop open your hood. The reason why you want to do this is because if it's drooping and you have this area right here is compressed, you're going to have to compress your new strut to fit into that little space. And these are super duper stiff, so it's almost impossible for you to squeeze them yourself. I tried, believe it or not. So you want to prop open the hoods, that way they are fully extended, and that way when you replace them, you don't have to try and fit it into whatever compressed state the frunk would be in. So yeah, let's get to it. And just like that, the frunk is standing up by itself. I can't even tell you guys how long I've been meaning to do this project, but if you guys think this tutorial helped you out, wow, those struts are strong. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you've seen a couple of my videos, you want to see a couple more, go ahead and subscribe. I'd love to have you back. But otherwise, guys, see you later.